Introducing the stylish 2023 Ford Puma ST-Line with only 3,000 miles on the clock in a sleek white exterior. This 1-litre engine beauty is packed with incredible features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, airbags, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. Enjoy a luxurious trim, ambient lighting, and a spoiler for added style. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more details on this top-notch vehicle.